Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless kinky straight wig. So stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm working with Isee hair company. I'm just gonna unbox and show you guys what I received. So I got this M cap. It's just basically showing you guys how the cap underneath the hair looks. So as you can see, I got some lashes, a wig cap, an HD wig cap, also a pamphlet telling you guys about the wig and the structure of the cap, some accessories for replacing like combs and the adjustable band. I also got a satin cap, and of course I got the wig itself. So this is a M cap wear and go kinky straight wig. As you can see, this is in 24 inches. The hairline was already pre-plucked. The lace was pre-cut. So I'm just gonna show you guys the structure of it. This is how it looks on my skin. The knots were already bleached and they're really small. So this is a 9x6. It gives you a lot of parting space. You have the two combs at the side, a comb at the back, of course the adjustable band, so you can put it on and take it off as well. The ears are cut out so it fits your head better, and I'm just showing you guys the inside. So jumping straight into this tutorial, you want to make sure your hair is braided back nice and flat. Then I'm going in with my concealer and I'm just going to spread that on the back of the lace. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on. So I'm using the comb at the back of the wig as a guide. I'm gonna stick it in the middle of the back of my head and just pull the wig up. As you can see today, I am not using a wig cap. I like to go in between using wig caps and not using them, so it is really a preference thing. So one thing I really liked about this wig was the knots were really small, so it looked really natural. But I'm just showing you guys, like, this wig is on and it can come off. Like, this is what you call wear and go. But I did decide to go ahead and cut off a little bit of the lace. This you really don't have to do. Like, it was honestly unnecessary, especially going back and looking at what I was doing, because I'm gonna show you guys what I even took off. It was really nothing. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and just cut off a little piece. Now that that is done, I went in with some Dax. It's just in this little container, but it is Dax. And I'm just going to spread that all over the hair with some Bio Silk. You know, if you know me, if you're not new here, I always use Bio Silk and Dax. That's just my thing. So before I go ahead and straighten out my hair, I'm just using my comb to brush back the hairline a bit, and then I'm going in with my sticky little secret melting spray, and I'm just spraying that along the hairline to just help the lace melt even better, because this is already great. And I'm just using my wrap it up strip, and I'm just gonna tie down the hairline so that it is drying while I go ahead and straighten out the hair. Once I flat iron the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that strip that I put on my hairline. Do you guys see how good this is looking? So I'm gonna go ahead and part in between the closure area, use my wax stick and my hot comb just to make the wig lay even flatter, because this is a kinky texture, so you want to make sure it is laying as flat as possible at the same time. And I'm just showing you guys the difference of how it looks when it is hot combed and when it's not. But we're gonna go ahead and do the opposite side now. So guys, this is how the hair is looking. It was so nice and soft. I just went in with my makeup brush. I didn't add any more makeup on it, but I'm just dabbing that on the hairline just so that it blends in even better. So yeah, this is how it looks. I also went in with my Paul Mitchell Shine Spray and I just sprayed that all over the hair for that finishing touch. And this is basically it, guys. So as I said before, this is their Kinky straight texture. I'm just showing you guys, this is glueless. So you can pop it on and off. This is their M cap. It is a 9x6, so it has a lot of parting space. So you can put it up, wear it down, however you would like. They have plucked it and everything for you, so that was honestly great. If you guys are interested, as I said before at the beginning of the video, this is a 24-inch. So shout out to Isee Hair Company once again for sending this unit over. If you are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.